Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. So today we will start our English 1 from book English Communicated chapter number 5 and your chapter name is Celebrating Earth Day. So before starting this topic, this chapter, I am asking you some question related to this chapter. Okay, tell me, do you know on which day we celebrate the Earth Day? Do you know on which day we celebrate the Earth Day? Yes, it is on 22nd April. On 22nd April, we celebrate the Earth Day. Okay, tell me, have you ever used any plastic waste? जो प्लास्टिक वेस्ट बच जाता है, जो होता है, आपने कभी उसको रिसाइकल किया है, कभी उसका यूज किया है? इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हेन यू थ्रो प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मटेरियल, यू रिसाइकल देम, यू यूज अ वेरी डिफरेंट चीज इन अ डिफरेंट वे एंड मेक अ यूजफुल थिंग फ्रॉम द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट. Okay, tell me, how could you save electricity in your house? We save. How could you save electricity in your house? We save electricity. Use in a limited way and don't use the electronic items unnecessarily. So in this way we save the electricity. Okay, tell me, how could we reduce pollution and prevent traffic jams? How could we reduce pollution and prevent traffic jam? बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक जाम लग जाता है, बहुत पॉल्यूशन होता है, तो हम उसको रिड्यूस कैसे कर सकते हैं? We travel by transport, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. यदि हम पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से ट्रैवल करें तो इससे पॉल्यूशन भी कम होगा, और ट्रैफिक जाम, अगर हम अलग अलग व्हीकल में जाते हैं तो कितना ज्यादा ट्रैफिक हो जाता है. तो हम अगर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज करें तो उससे क्या होगा? हमारा ट्रैफिक जाम भी कम लगेगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस चैप्टर अबाउट सेलिब्रेटिंग अर्थ डे. Okay children, this is your chapter number 5, Celebrating Earth Day. This is your activity page. You tick right things and tick wrong, cross for wrong things. The sound of the vehicle is a right or wrong. You cross or write in this circle. You cracks the crackers, so this is right or wrong. You create garbage, you collect garbage out of the house, so it is right or wrong. You plant a tree, so it is right or wrong. You collect the garbage in a dustbin, it is right or wrong. So you tick right and wrong, tick right for the right things and cross for the wrong things. So this is your activity page. Let's start your chapter. The student of class 3rd are having a fancy dress competition. They want to spread the message of saving our earth. Read how they do it. अब आपको इसमें पढ़ना है कि वो क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं अपने ड्रेस कंपटीशन से, कि किस प्रकार हम अपनी अर्थ को सेव कर सकते हैं. सो रीड हाउ दे डू इट. चिल्ड्रन, मिस कार्नेग हैज सम इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज. उनके पास कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज है. शी सेज, चिल्ड्रन, आई हैव एक्साइटिंग न्यूज फॉर यू. 22nd April इज अर्थ डे. We will have a fancy dress competition on that day. हम इस दिन fancy dress competition करेंगे. Each of you must dress up as a tree, a cloud, or an animal and talk about yourself. This is the fancy dress competition. So you wear a different type of dress and talk about yourself. So a boy says, fancy dress, what a fun. So the children think and talk about what to do. And a girl says, how would I look as a homeless tiger? कैसी लगूंगी homeless tiger के रूप में? And maybe I can come as a plastic bottle and talk about recycle. A boy said, I can come, मैं आ सकता हूँ एक प्लास्टिक बोतल के रूप में और रिसाइकलिंग के बारे में मैं बात करूँगा. It is the Earth Day. The hall is filled with parents and teachers. Class 3rd proudly presents the Earth Day parade. Class 3rd ने present की Earth Day की parade. Class 3rd proudly present the Earth Day parade. उन्होंने अर्थ डे की परेड प्रेजेंट की. Our students will tell us how to care for our planet. Our student tell us how to care for our planet. Arvind Gopalan walks on stage, nervous but excited. मतलब he feels very nervous but excited to do something different. I am a bus. Arvind Gopalan says, I am a bus. Use me instead of a car. Reduce pollution, prevent traffic jams, save money. Thank you. Arvind says, use me. You use a public transport, a bus, instead of your personal car. For what? For reduce pollution, prevent traffic jams and save money. So next is Shabnam Khan. Shabnam Khan talks about how to save electricity. Shabnam says, I am a bulb. Switch me off when you are not in the room. Shabnam says how we save electricity, and whenever we don't need to use the electricity, so then switch off the plug and switch off the light in the room. Save electricity, save energy. Shabnam says save electricity and save energy. Thank you. Gopal Sinha tell us how to recycle waste. Gopal, I am a garbage bin. Here are some things you can recycle. This is an aluminium. He shows, Gopalan Sinha shows a aluminium tin box, and this is a newspaper. This is a newspaper. If we recycle newspaper, each family can save 2 trees a year. अब यदि हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर को रिसाइकल करते हैं, तो हमारी फैमिली 2 trees a year में सेव कर सकती है. सो प्लीज रिसाइकल to save our earth. So recycle the garbage and waste things to save our earth. Thank you. The Gopal says thank you. Next is Teresa Lewis. Teresa Lewis speak on how to save tigers, because in our forest tiger has been extinguished. So I am a tiger. Teresa says I am a tiger and my home, the forest, has been cut down. कट होते जा रहे हैं मेरे फॉरेस्ट. इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड फूड भी नहीं फाइंड होता. देयर आर नॉट मैनी टाइगर्स लेफ्ट इन इंडिया. प्लीज सेव मी एंड माई फ्रेंड्स. द Teresa says in a tiger uniform, please save me as a tiger and my friends in India to save my population. Binita Tuki asked us to save trees. Binita form as a tree. I am a tree. I give you clean air, wood, fruits and medicines. You cannot live without me. A tree gives us air, wood, fruits and medicine. So many things we get from trees. So you cannot live without me. Yet I am being cut down. अब मुझे काटा जा रहा है, प्लीज सेव मी। विनीता, who is pretending like a tree, says, please save me, don't cut me unnecessarily, thank you. Next is Jamshed Nariman speak about water pollution. Jamshed Nariman comes to form as a water. I am a water, people have polluted me. Pollute कर देते हैं. They dump garbage in the rivers. Rivers में क्या करते हैं? Garbage dump करते हैं. And oceans. They also waste me a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे waste करते हैं. Please use me wisely. Don't waste water unnecessarily. When we save water, we can thirst another generation. Finally, all the children sing together. All of them show how to save our earth. Every day is Earth Day, whether it is cold or wet or hot. Let's work to save our planet. It's the only one we have got. So these are the children who give a message how we save our earth. The parents and teacher clap for children. They all decide to do their best to save Mother Earth. Will you also do that? You can also to save a tree, to plant a tree in or around your house. You save water, you save electricity, you can recycle your waste materials. So this is your chapter about how we save our earth. Have you understood? If you have any doubt, read this chapter once or twice very carefully. So this is your homework. Draw a dustbin and write 5 uses of dustbin. How we use dustbin and what is the use of dustbin, वो आपको इसमें लिखने हैं. 5 uses बताने हैं इसके and dustbin draw करना है. So this is your homework. Have you understood? Have a nice day. Thank you very much.